So the first one is going to be the single zone wine fridge that has only one temperature zone, which means the entire fridge is kept at a consistent temperature. This type of fridge is ideal for wine enthusiasts who primarily collect or drink one type of wine, either red or white, as both types require different storage temperatures. Ideal use is to simply to operate with fewer settings to manage, generally more affordable than dual zones options. Limitation is they are not suitable for collections, then they contain both red and white wines unless you are fine with keeping all wines at the same temperature. So from the second one is called the dual zone wine fridge, which has two different temperature settings. This is ideal for collectors who store a mix of red and white wines, as those wines require different temperatures to maintain their quality. Ideal use is great for household or collectors who want to store both types like red or white wines, keeping reds in the one zone and warmer temperature with whites in the other zone at a cooler setting. The advantage also include versatile for mixed wine collections, allow you to preserve the ideal characteristic of both red and whites at their proper temperatures. The limitation though is typically more expensive than single zone fridges and may require more space of your household. So for the third wine fridge is the built-in wine fridge that's designed to be installed in your cabinetry. Thirdly, built-in wine fridge providing a seamless and integrated look for your kitchen. It's a space-saving solution that blends with kitchen design, often placed under the counter or alongside other appliances. Its ideal use is perfect for modern kitchens or custom home designs where aesthetics and space saving are important. This type of fridge allows for a clean, sleek kitchen look without taking up extra floor space. Its advantages is blends into cabinetry for a sophisticated, integrated appearance, great for those who want easy access to wine without dedicating additional space. But its limitations are requiring precise measurements to ensure proper fit and may involve professional installation, limited flexibility in relocation after installation. So, for the fourth one is called the Freestanding Wine Fridge that is a standalone unit that can place in anywhere of your household. So, the Freestanding Wine Fridge is suitable for any independent area in your household such as kitchen, dining room or even living space. It doesn't require installation into cabinetry and comes in various sizes, from small compact models to larger units. Its ideal usage is excellent for those who want flexibility in where they place their wine fridge. It's also a good option for renters who can modify cabinetry on for those with larger wine collections. The advantages are portable and easy to move, offering more freedom to position it anywhere. No need to build-in space or cabinetry modifications. However, the limitations are it takes up floor space and freestanding units generally don't have the same integrated look and aesthetic as built-in models. So when it comes to the Countertop Wine Fridge that is designed to sit on your kitchen countertops. For Countertop Wine Fridge, it's small, portable and usually holds a modest number of bottles ranging from 6 to 12 bottles, making it suitable for casual wine drinkers or those with limited space. The ideal usage is perfect for wine drinkers with small collections or limited space, such as in apartments, condos or smaller kitchens. It's also a great option for those who want easy access to a few bottles without needing a larger fridge. The advantages are space saving, easy to set up and portable. No need to have a dedicated floor space or cabinetry modifications. However, the limitations, its limited capacity, usually only enough for a small wine collection, not suitable for long-term storage or serious collector with diverse needs. So when it comes to the Compressor Wine Fridge, it features a traditional compressing cooling system. So when it comes to the Compressor Wine Fridge, it is similar to a regular refrigerator, making it highly efficient and powerful. These fridges can maintain a consistent temperature even in areas with fluctuating room temperatures. Its ideal usage is suitable for larger wine collections or for those living in a warmer climates area where temperature consistency is crucial for preserving the wine. The advantages are capable of cooling a large number of bottles, powerful enough to handle fluctuating ambient temperatures, and more efficient for long-term storage of different wine types. However, the cons are usually louder than thermoelectric models because of the compressor, can be more expensive due to its robust cooling capabilities. So when it comes to a large capacity wine fridge, it is designed for holding a lot more capacity than other wine fridge. Okay, let's talk about the large capacity wine fridge. The wine fridge can usually host over 100 bottles of wines. These fridges are built for serious collectors, wine enthusiasts, or business like restaurants or bars that need to store large inventories of wine at the optimal temperatures. Its ideal usage are best for wine collectors or commercials settings such as wine bars, restaurants, or people with extensive wine collections. These fridges often come with advanced features like multiple shelves, adjustable temperatures, and even humidity controls. The advantages are high storage capacity, often with multiple zones or shelves to organize a large variety of wines, allows proper aging of wines in large quantity. Last but not least, the cons. It requires significant space and higher upfront investment, not suitable for casual wine drinkers or homes with limited space. So guys, this is the end of our wine fridge introduction, and stay safe. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing cabinetry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.